Dipper. Dippers, also known as water ouzels, are a group of small, stout birds found in fast-flowing streams and rivers in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. They are unique among passerines, perching birds, in that they are able to dive and swim underwater. Dippers have adaptations that enable them to forage for aquatic insects and other small aquatic creatures beneath the water's surface. Dippers are known for their distinctive bobbing or dipping movements, which is how they get their common name. They often perch on rocks or branches near water and dive into the water to catch their prey. Their plumage is usually dark and waterproof, which helps them stay dry while swimming. There are various species of dippers found in different parts of the world, such as the American dipper, Cinclus mexicanus, in North and South America, and the white-throated dipper, Cinclus cinclus, in Europe. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations for their specific habitats. If you have a specific question about dippers or if there's more context you can provide, feel free to ask. Dippers, or water ouzels, are fascinating birds that have adapted to life in fast-flowing streams and rivers. They face several biological challenges unique to their aquatic habitats. Number 1. Cold water environment. Dippers often inhabit cold mountain streams and rivers, which can be challenging due to the lower temperatures. These birds have adapted to this environment through their dense plumage and a high metabolic rate, which helps them maintain body temperature. Number 2. Waterproofing. Spending a lot of time in and around water requires effective waterproofing. Dippers have specialized oil-producing glands near their tails that secrete oil to coat their feathers. This oil helps keep their plumage waterproof and insulates them against the cold water. Number 3. Diving and foraging. Dippers are excellent divers and swimmers, but this ability comes with challenges. They must find food underwater, navigating against the current and often in low light conditions. Their adaptations, such as a streamlined body, strong legs for propulsion, and nictitating membranes that protect their eyes underwater, aid them in these activities. Number 4. Air supply. Diving birds need efficient adaptations to manage their air supply while underwater. Dippers have larger than average lungs and can store more oxygen, enabling them to remain submerged for longer periods compared to many other birds. Number 5. Nesting in a harsh environment. Building nests near fast-flowing water poses challenges. Dippers build dome-shaped nests using materials such as moss and grass, which can be secured in crevices or under bridges. Constructing and maintaining a stable nest in such an environment requires skill and adaptation. Number 6. Predation and competition. Dippers face threats from predators both in and out of the water, including larger birds and mammals. Additionally, they often share their habitat with other species that also depend on aquatic resources, leading to competition for food. Number 7. Environmental changes. Like all species, dippers are affected by environmental changes, including pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. Alterations in stream flow, temperature, and water quality can impact their food sources and nesting sites. Number 8. Breeding challenges. Breeding successfully in their watery habitats can be challenging. Dippers need to find suitable nesting sites that provide protection from predators and turbulent water. They also face the risk of nest flooding during heavy rains or sudden increases in water flow.